So we're doing Xeomin today. So she doesn't have forehead wrinkles, so we're gonna concentrate on her frown. Frown for me. Okay, so we're gonna tame these muscles that I see, and then give me your bunny. There you go. All right, and then give me your happy smile. There. All right. So with that said, we are going to be starting
Beauty juice.
beauty juice. It's a quick procedure, and you've done this before, right?
Mm-hmm.
How was it so far?
Okay.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Over here. As you can see, it's fast, so it's a quick lunchtime procedure. You come in, you already have a record with us, and I call it maintenance dose to some, some patients. Meaning to say we have already nailed down their number, their dosing, so I call that maintenance dose, the beauty medicine.
Ooh.
Not your high blood pressure maintenance dose. And it's for your beauty dose.
Beauty dose. Okay.
You could always benefit with some beauty dose.
Oh, yes.
And look at those beautiful lips.
Oh yes, of course, right? And I'm gonna turn for a moment. Just happy smile again. Okay, relax. Nice. So she's gonna start to see some improvement in the lines in about a few days, peak effect in 2 weeks.